Hey everyone, it's Desiree, and we are going to make some 3D ornaments, and we're going to have lots of fun doing it. I am absolutely in love with these. Now, you guys know I like long tassels and all that fun stuff, but this is what makes those ornaments. So this is a beautiful flat snowflake ornament die. And it's 2 layers. So I've already taken care of the die cutting, and I really like the way 5 look for this. So that's what we're going to do. So I cut 5 bases, or clouds or shadows, whatever you call them, and then 5 of the detail part of the snowflake. I'm using an aqua and a champagne color mirror cardstock. Now, one suggestion that I would make, and again, this is for me, other people may work just fine with it. I'm using 65-pound cardstock. So this is the cardstock that's from Michael's, the Recollections. And it's a terrific cardstock. It's just, it's considered lightweight. It's not, of course, an 80-pound cover or anything else like that. What I like about it is the flexibility that this paper has. For the mirror cardstock, I'm not using a tonic or a Simon Says. I'm actually using the Tim Holtz mirrored cardstocks. So it's the 8x8 packs that come with 2 different colors. I think one has copper and rose gold. The other one has gold and silver. The other one has the black and the champagne. That, and it's got the craft backing. That cardstock is, again, it's a lightweight cardstock. You're going to be bending these. You're going to be scoring them. And again, nothing needs to be perfect when it comes to that. But I just feel that there would be less frustration, less headaches, if you use the lighter weights in your cardstocks. And I love the Recollections 65 pounds. I use it a lot, especially for mats, layering up with a lot of mats, layering up a lot of die cuts. I think it's great cardstock. And I use it also a lot with my albums, my scrapbook albums that I make, and also the journals. So it's a great cardstock. And what's nice is when you get it, you get 5 different colors when you get a color scheme pack. And there's 50 sheets in each pack. So you're getting 10 sheets of each color. And it's great when they're on sale. Woohoo! Anyway, back to the card. So we are on our last little snowflake here. And using my pointy tweezers there to make sure that somewhat that top part of the snowflake is in line. Okay. You either need a straight edge and a scoring tool or the back end of a butter knife, or you can use a scoring tool. Now, what you want to do is you want to make sure that the top point and the bottom point are on the same line. So you want to score right down that center. And if the snowflake is lined up, which of course mine were never completely lined up, you're actually going straight down the center of that mirror snowflake that you die cut. But you want to make sure that you put this. Now, it doesn't have to go all the way through. It doesn't have to be a perfect score, but you do want to start breaking those fibers. And now we are just going to pinch this closed. It doesn't have to be completely closed. You can see I'm putting my index fingers in the center and I'm building up. I'm using my thumb and middle finger to pinch at that score line to just get that to bend up, and then I'm going out to the edges to finish that bend. Okay, and again, you don't want them flat. You want them to have that shape. Now, I'm going to get my twine together. If you like the tassel, flowy, bushy look that I do, you need a lot. So 3 arm lengths pulls is what I did. I'm going to keep folding it in half until I have this length. I don't have the length. Guys, you know me. I just don't measure. I do not have time to pull it out. So basically with 3 arm pulls, full lengths stretched out, I folded it half once, twice, and I think I went into a third, possibly a fourth time. So I think the length is about 10 inches, 10, 12 inches when it's all folded like that. And you want to then take the one end, it can be any end, and you're going to tie a knot. Now, I didn't grab it the right way through the knot, so you want to make sure that that's tight through there. And then you have all the loops and everything. I have found also with this that a glue gun is your best friend with this. And I'm just putting it on the very tips of the snowflake. So if you'll see, I'm going right up, putting like a little tiny cross right up in there. And I apologize that the camera is shaking, but my stand for my camera sits on my craft desk, and I am violent when I craft, so I throw things. So again, the glue gun is perfect. So now this is all together. Now you want to take all those strands and you want to put them in the center, making sure that the knot is sticking out the one end, and then making sure that's all down in there. And now we're just going to put a little bit of glue in those crevices so that we can pinch all that together. Again, the glue gun's going to do this quickly. You can do this with regular glue. I did the first one that I was making with regular glue. You've just got to hold it. You've just got to make sure that you're holding it there. And you can see with our glue guns, we can, if you have a fine tip, you can get right down in there, and it works fine with a regular tip as well. And then you just keep pinching and pinching and pinching. Now we're going to tie another knot at the top. So when you do this with all of these threads, you want to make sure that they all come out together, and then just pinch the knot to keep it down towards the top of the snowflake. If the knot looks uneven, you just have to pull each strand apart or up, and then you'll tighten that knot for each one. And that is our dangly snowflake ornament. I just fell in love with these. I absolutely love them. But yeah, glue gun, huge fan. Lightweight paper, huge advantage. Those are the 2 things that I recommend. So I hope you enjoy this. I know my tree's going to be adorned with these. You could put beads on them, so you could have a lot of fun when it comes to the tops and the bottoms. You can make double-decker ones. Oh yes, the possibilities are just endless with that. So, as always, I hope you enjoyed this project with me and Scrappy Tails featuring their flat snowflake ornament. And we made a beautiful 3D ornament for our tree and our home decor. The product that I use will be listed down below. And if you have any questions, make sure you leave those down below as well. Don't forget to subscribe. Make sure you hit that thumbs up. Make sure you ring the bell so that you're notified when the next video is live. Because stay tuned, we are about to take off for the month of December. So I hope you all enjoy what I have put together for everyone. I had a lot of fun with the 2023 Christmas series this year. And remember, most of all, enjoy the process. Enjoy the art you create. Have fun with it. Explore new ideas. Try different things. But just enjoy the process. And most of all, remember, always, be creative, guys, and I will talk to you in the next one. Till then.